The 2011 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, air conditioning, front, power steering, passenger airbag, fog lamps, power windows, remote power door locks, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, power mirrors, trailer hitch receiver. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.